today I'm reviewing the BANOBAGI Milk Thistle Repair Serum. And really quick, I just want to say I purchase all these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsored ads or videos. So if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsbeauty.com, join my Patreon community, or click on the link below. And I'm probably still butchering the name no matter how much I practice saying their name. BANOBAGI. It just comes out like that. BANOBAGI. Whatever. Sorry, it's terrible. I'm not good at it. Okay, so let me just get to this. So, formulated with, this is so stupid. Formulated with only EWG green grade ingredients. You know what? The EWG, the Environmental Working Group, they definitely come at it with a certain agenda, which I don't necessarily think I'd be bragging about it either way, because the Environmental Working Group treats retinol as like a bad ingredient. So, I don't know, whatever. Okay, so this powerful serum possesses powerful skin repairing abilities thanks to infused burdock root extract, which is known for its potent nutrients and barrier strengthening effects. Non-sticky, refreshing skin finish, free of 11 kinds of harmful ingredients such as parabens. Used on cleansed and toned skin. I like the product though, overall, but I just don't like how they're marketing it to people's fears instead of, well, I even mentioned parabens, because to be honest, parabens, they might have been some of the more gentle preservatives. Some people might have had issues with them in terms of allergies, but they're a lot safer than a lot of other preservatives, such as methylxylylone or whatever. So, there we go. Rant over for the day. Okay, first criteria, packaging. I like the packaging. I like that it's purple. That's stupid, but I like that it's pretty. It's so dumb, but whatever. Right? In terms of denatured drying types of alcohol, it does not contain any of those. It's also fragrance-free and has no real noticeable scent. The manufacturing location for this one is Korea, so no issues with that. Unless you wear sunscreen, and then kind of an issue. Okay, so ease of use after cleansing and toning. Dispense a moderate onto cotton pad or hands. I don't recommend applying this to cotton pad. It's more of a serum. I mean, a toner or an essence you can use with the cotton pad. If you apply a serum to it, it's kind of just a waste because it's such a small amount of product. But smooths over skin really nicely, absorbs pretty quickly, and sets to a non-greasy finish. There we go. Couple of pumps or droplets of it is enough for me to cover my entire face. So a little bit of it goes a long way, but feels really nice on the skin, absorbs quickly, plays well with sunscreens if you use your morning routine or evening routine. I really think if you're going to pick this one up, it's worthwhile to consider using it in your morning routine as opposed to your evening routine, because some of the ingredients, such as the milk thistle and things, help your sunscreen work better and protect your skin as well. So it's worth considering putting this in your morning routine, or both, but if anything, morning routine. So, okay, so antioxidants and beneficial ingredients in this one. So we've got that burdock root extract that they talked about. It's an antioxidant, soothing ingredient. Also has some antifungal powers that makes it especially helpful for greasy and flaky skin and or scalp. We've got niacinamide, great anti-acne, skin brightening, barrier repairing ingredient. We've got betaine, which is a sugar beet-derived humectant. Then finally we've got, not finally, but then we come to that, the name of the product, the Silybum extract, also known as milk thistle or silymarin. It's a great plant. It's got antioxidant properties, skin calming properties. Also helps shield the skin from visible effects of UV light exposure. So it works great under your sunscreen, or if you apply vitamin C serum and then this over it and then your sunscreen, it helps it work better. It also can help with brightening up skin discolorations and interrupting pathways in the skin that leads to discoloration. So the milk thistle is great, and in the lab studies that have been done on it, it really shows that it's got some impressive antioxidant and enzymes. So next up, we've got CentellaAsiatica extract, great antioxidant, skin soothing, humectant ingredient. We've got Madecassoside, which is derivative from CentellaAsiatica, helps with wound healing, skin soothing, and antioxidant. We've got Echium Plantagineum seed oil, which is an anti-aging, hydrating, and rich source of fatty acids. We've got sunflower seed oil, Unsaponifiables, which is a skin-soothing, skin-identical ingredient. We've got acetyl hexapeptide 8, which is a great cell communicating ingredient. Also helps with wrinkles and skin firming. We've got copper tripeptide, cell communicating ingredient, soothing ingredient, antioxidant ingredient, high maintenance ingredient, to say the least. We've got panthenol, great for hydrating and soothing skin. And then we've got adenosine, which is a cell communicating ingredient. Also has wound healing and anti-inflammatory properties. We've got hydrogenated lecithin, a good emollient, and then finally vitamin E, antioxidant, hydrating ingredient. So really nice list of skin soothing ingredients, antioxidant ingredients, skin protecting ingredients, skin firming ingredients. Really nice. They did a great job with this. In terms of animal testing, I emailed this brand as well, and I have not heard back yet. If I hear back, when I hear back, I'll add info into the description. But at this point, I have to assume that they're not cruelty-free. I have a feeling that they're not. Usually, if a brand is cruelty-free, they brag about it or say it somewhere, and I couldn't find it anywhere. So, probably the case, but maybe not. Okay, in terms of performance, so really like the serum. I find it to be a nice hydrating serum. It helps a bit with redness and calming a bit, but it's more hydrating and like skin protecting than what I would consider more of a calming serum. But it layers well with other products. I'll definitely continue to use this in my morning routine. The nice thing is for acne-prone skin, there's only 2 ingredients of note, carbomer and vitamin E, so that's pretty friendly. The price, so this is a full size, which is 1 ounce. It retails for around $21. Makes it pretty affordable, especially since like 2 drops of it is enough to cover my entire face. So a bottle like this will last me a while. Really wonderful, pretty darn affordable. And sometimes you can get it on sale even more affordably. Affordably, yes. Okay, and then in terms of the it factor, really enjoy it. No fragrance, it's affordable, good ingredient list, good antioxidants in there. Wish I knew if it was cruelty-free or not, but I have a feeling it's not. And if it's not cruelty-free, it won't be repurchased. Just cuz. Okay, so anyway, with a 10 being a perfect score, I gave this one a 9. It's got a lot to like. And, yeah. So, interested hearing from you guys if you've had a chance to check this one out yet or not. And if you have, what your thoughts are. So, leave a comment. Love hearing from you guys. And stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.